Where'd you go? Come back.
I'm over here.
Get up here. So what's your name? Tell them. Tell all the people.
I'm Avery.
And what are we doing?
I want this little...
Did you forget what I told you we're doing?
Yeah.
We're doing a cooking video.
I know. Mommy, I want this little...
There's our introduction. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Okay. Are you ready? So this is what we're going to do. Because we're all stuck inside and we're going to get real bored real fast, we're going to make cooking videos, right? Yeah. Yeah. And we'll do cooking and singing and dancing. What do you want to sing and dance to?
Frozen 2.
Frozen 2? Okay. So, we're probably not going to make...
Into the end. No! Into the end. No! Into the end. No!
We'll be right back. Well, now we got to start finding ingredients, so this is going to be a shit show. Okay, now what are you doing?
Rigatoni.
That's not rigatoni, it's farfaline.
I want farfaline.
We're not making farfaline, we're making farfalle.
I don't want that.
It's the same thing, but it's just a bigger version. Ugh. It's this one. No, this one.
What's that one?
Goodness gracious.
What's that one?
It's bow ties. Big bow ties.
I want big bow ties.
That's what we're doing. Okay, so I'm making something up here. I don't know how it's gonna go. I've never done it before. We're gonna roast this poblano and we're gonna make a sauce out of it. How's that sound?
Cool.
See what happens. Nope, that's not gonna work. Try that again. Okay,
Do you have any plan for what you're doing, or are you making it up as you go along?
I'm making it up as I go. But it's gonna have the poblano roasted and the Violife feta. So it's gonna be a creamy roasted poblano sauce over pasta. How's that sound?
Doing.
So, trying to record me cooking was a disaster, but at least I have a snuggle bug. Say, Mama! Mama! No, Mama.
Dada.
No, Mama. No, Mama. All right, so in my effort to record a video of me cooking this weird dinner, everything fell to shit. So, this is what we have. This is a poblano cream sauce or something. And then I got the water boiling for the farfalle. So that's it. It's nothing exciting. So here's my weird pasta. It is a roasted poblano pepper, Violife feta, Violife parm, wine, garlic powder, olive oil, I don't know, bunch of shit. It's in there. Smells good. Wish me luck.
Mommy,
What?
remember both peanuts?
Yeah. Did you, excuse me, is it good?
Yeah.
It's good. We got the kids seal of approval. Kid tested. Mommy approved.